Hi, this is Kiro, the new agentic IDE that works alongside you from concept to production. Let me give you a tour of some of the features of Kiro. First, we'll click on that ghost hand icon on the left-hand side. Now I'll click the Generate Steering Docs button. This will help Kiro better understand the application when we prompt it later. Now that the docs are created, you can find them in the Kiro steering folder. These files describe a serverless full-stack web app that we're using with a Next.js and a AWS backend. Let me show you one of our most powerful features, Spec. I'll ask Kiro to add a new way to sign into our app using Google. Kiro is going to help us code this up and give us a step-by-step process so it gets it right. The Spec feature generated this requirements document as its first step in helping us create this feature. It has user stories and acceptance criteria. I'll review it and add another criteria to improve the way sign-out is handled. For this next step, Kiro generated this in-depth design document. It includes a mermaid diagram, infrastructure changes, and configurations. This looks good to me. We'll continue on. Finally, we're presented with a task list. Kiro has broken up this feature into smaller parts that it can complete one by one. I really like this feature because I can interactively have Kiro complete a task at a time, and I can verify or make changes if needed afterwards. I'm going to have it start on these tasks, I'll queue a few, and I'll check it along the way. This will take a short while. While it works, I'll set everything up inside the Google Cloud Console outside this video. It's been a few moments, we're now in task 5, and it's updating the Prisma update to include the Google account. Great, it's now completed all the tasks. I did a few updates during each task to make sure everything was working. And now let's take a look at the output. Here's the application. It has this new sign in with Google button. All the backend and infrastructure has been completed because of Kiro. If we test the login, it looks good. This next feature is really helpful. It's called agent hooks. To get started, I'll click the little ghost icon on the left-hand side, and then I'll click the little plus arrow next to agent hooks. I want this hook to create tests anytime I save a component if they're not already there. So I'm going to describe this in the prompt on file save, add a few basic tests if not already created for each component. And then I'm going to click this enter icon. Kiro is going to create this hook for me and it'll be listening in that background for that file save. So I'm going to see it now inside the .kiro folder, this new hooks, and then I can give it a try. So I'm going to go into one of my components and I'm just going to add a quick comment to it and make sure it works. So I'm going to type in test comment here, and then I'm going to open up the task list, and you can see it running already in the background here, and it'll start creating the tests. This will just take a few moments. Here's the new test, the Google sign-in button test. I'll look through it, created several of them, looks really good. Kiro does more than just development with specs and agent hooks. We also support native MCP and vibe coding. With Kiro, you can go from concept to production and beyond. Go ahead and give it a try. It's free during preview.